Okay, class, I believe this will be a fairly quick instruction for Module 6, Lesson 11. And today what we're going to be doing as our goal or objective is to take a number within 100 and add a multiple of 10 to it, okay? And so I believe that objective probably sounds a little bit more confusing than it needs to, so I'm just going to show you with the backside of our problem set today. We're going to take this number within 100, okay? For right now, you'll see the example is 47. All right, and you'll notice that there's a 7. There's something other than a 0 in the tens place or in the ones place today. But then we're going to add something that is a multiple of 10 to it, okay? So what that looks like when we're working with the base 10 blocks here is we're going to take this number and whatever is in the ones place, okay, whatever my ones is here, that is also going to be in the ones place in my answer, because look, there is nothing ones in the ones place to add it to. Okay, so I have 5 tens here, so that number is 54, and I'm adding these 2 tens, which I know is 20. Okay, now again, I'm not trying to make this too terrible confusing, but if I add the tens places only, 5 and 2, that equals 7. Okay, so 54 plus 20 is 74. My ones place doesn't change. Okay, so there's kind of an example. Use that throughout. Okay, let me clear this up here. You'll do that, and then if you need to draw base 10 blocks or use the virtual base 10 blocks for the backside of the problem set, because you'll just get a number sentence. Okay, good luck on this lesson.